We will be introducing standard OA1 and OA3. We will also go over the PBO and annotate it. Standard MGSE 3 OA1. Interpret products of whole numbers. For example, interpret 5 times 7 as the total number of objects in 5 groups of 7 objects each. For example, describe a context in which a total number of objects can be expressed as 5 times 7. PBO. Students will be able to interpret multiplication as creating equal groups in order to describe a context in which a total number of objects can be expressed using a multiplication expression. Our first word is interpret. Interpret means to make sense of and assign meaning to data. Our next word is multiplication. Multiplication is simply repeated addition. Next, we have equal. What does that word equal mean? You are correct. Exactly the same amount or value. Boys and girls, you're doing a very great job. Our next word is describe. What does that word describe mean? To represent in words using relevant details. Our next word is context. Context is a situation used to describe the mathematical problem. Our next word is objects. Objects. Objects are material things that can be seen or touched. Our next word is express. Express. Express is to state or share. And our final word in this PBO is expression. Expression is a group of mathematical numbers and or symbols representing a number or quantity. We have just completed annotating the PBO for Standard OA1. Standard OA3 is taught along with Standard OA1, so we're going to introduce this standard as well and PBO. Standard MGSE 3 OA3. Use multiplication within 100 to solve word problems in situations involving equal groups, arrays, and measurement quantities. For example, by using drawings and equations with a symbol for the unknown number to represent the problem. Our PBO for this standard reads, students will be able to use various representations such as equal groups, arrays, and equations in order to solve multiplication and division word problems within 100. Our first word is various. The meaning of various is different from one another. Our next word is representations. Representations are models. Our next three words that we will annotate are equal groups, arrays, and equations. All three of those words are simply multiplication strategies that we will utilize to solve our multiplication problems. Equal groups are groups that have the same amount. Arrays are items arranged in rows and columns. Equations are mathematical statements containing an equal sign to show that two expressions are equal. Our next word is solve. Solve means to find the answer. Multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition. Our next word is division. Division is repeated subtraction. Okay, boys and girls, we just went over the standards and PBO for OA1 and OA3. So let's get ready to learn some multiplication strategies and have some fun. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.